If you're looking for a recently built coastal home in a family-friendly, quiet neighbourhood, then this is the place for you. Welcome to 16 Barleen Place, West Ulverstone. Recently completed in late 2022, this property is the perfect blend of modern comfort and peaceful living in a fantastic setting. The open plan design seamlessly connects the kitchen, dining and living areas, creating a spacious and inviting atmosphere. The modern kitchen is generous and functional, featuring sleek appliances and ample bench space. The large master bedroom features a walk-in robe and private ensuite. With family living in mind, the large main family bathroom boasts a large soaker bath as well as a generous walk-in shower. With an abundance of coastal paths perfect for cycling or walking, picnic spots with stunning views, safe swimming beaches, playgrounds and active bird and wildlife, Ulverstone is the perfect family-friendly location. Don't miss this fantastic opportunity to own a near-new property in a highly sought-after area. For more information or to book a private inspection of this property, contact myself, Kat Spalding at Roberts Real Estate Devonport.